family wise practice companion. So here we are seeing kind of a uh, problem statements like say many Indian families they have spoken practices part of their daily life. So some chanting and some practices say they have to do it 108 times. So many old age people do these practices and traditionally they do by their counting on them some beads on their hand or things on the beat while the working is physically very good for them to work continue moving. So I also while driving do this one, but it's very dangerous to keep counting based on some physical instrument, say some thread or some counter. So at home my child also practice counter and memory the speeches for school assembly. So someone has to sit and check. So every single time existing apps count the taps or noise. Nothing verifies, remembers or coaches. So built this Japa Sathi a family-wise practice companion. So you speak, it listen, verify, counts, coaches and remembers. Okay. So this is a kind of a multi-agent. This is from where I will keep on scrolling till bottom. So multi-agent system with a clear division of labor and orchestra owns each session. Routes work to the specialist. Listener agent turns audio into text using Gemini's native audio. A detector agent uh, uh, and identifies which is getting chanted. No setup, no hard coding, and here is a key engineering decisions determines by the tool to do all counting and kind of a computing. That's what you can see it here. Memory state, digital state, and digital counting mala bit state. That's what we say it here. And again, these are the codes which we are seeing in here. So listening agent is serial audio in text. So kind of a native audio understanding transaction we are using it here. And then the step 4 we are having a verification toolbox design principle key engineering design for this project. So that's how it looks like. And then we have safety and guideline, child facing, driver facing agents. So kind of a driving we should get some audio input, just not to look at the screen and do something. And this is a kind of a coach agent that encourage and grounded in real numbers. So that's what it helps. And safety one mock telematics real interrupt logic. So agent must seal to road mock templates simulates events even stronger. And this is orchestra 1 and 3.3 nodes. So guardrails, listener, site verification tool, state update, coach. This is what we have it here. Everything in this one. And this is here we have demo one Japa mode any mantra interrupted drive and save and resume. So kind of a here what you see is uh, while real recording a chant mantra uploaded the clip, and I just uploaded the clip and it counted correctly. So that's what this code here, and this is final output. So it can count and tell me how many times it is done, and I can at the same time focus on the road while when the road clear it resumed exactly the same count arriving with the unfinished sessions something we have. So this is about our demo 2 output. So this is about counting, say counting a child I have asked to count from 1 to 10, but obviously the child is very playful, so they will do till 2 3, and this is one kind of a companion that will help and encourage child. So next is reciting mode assembly speech practices, so mom's little helper. So otherwise it's a lot of time, so it keep on kind of a coaching the child about which is remaining, how much is left out. And as we have practice tracker, so daily goals, how many, say 108 time it is done, or counting is done till how much level 100 to 10 or something. That's what is daily, and it based on end of the day also it will kind of a track it. And this is kind of a evaluation kind of a tracker we have. So that's what you see in this output. Then full agent trace also is available here. That's what we can see, the privacy agent uh, and memory saved listener memory. That's all is available here into this tool tracking. And conclusions and limitations. Obviously there are limitations. That's what you can see in this screen here. So kind of a recommendation. So there is no microphone, so demo use recorded clips and cut elements explicitly. So Gemini Live API is mobile, so Cloud Run and Google Maps hooks to safety. This kind of a roadmap to us for this. Okay.